Hello everyone, this is 𝐒𝐤𝐤𝐸 from 𝐒𝐤𝐤𝐞 back with another video, and in this video we are talking about focus mode. In iOS 15 there are so many new and amazing features, but one of the most helpful feature is focus mode. I mean, it's totally amazing that by making some changes in setting you can make your iPhone much easier for you. You might be knowing do not disturb on iOS 14, but focus mode is much better than that. So basically in this video I will show you how to customize its setting and what are its benefits you can get by enabling focus modes. As you can see here in control center, here it says focus, and if I tap on this you will get a bunch of modes to see. Here I have sleep, fitness, driving, YouTube and work, and also I can add more from here if I want to. So let's go into settings, then go to focus. You will get all the mode here from control center as well. So now let me show you how to create a new focus mode and customize it. And here it says share across devices. When you enable this option, it will automatically enable across your other devices like Apple Watch, iPad or Mac or whatever you have set up. So let's create a new focus mode by tapping on plus button. Over here you will get this option if you want to enable from this, or you can create a new one by tapping on custom. So here you can name it whatever you want, like editing. Then we have the option for different colors also, so we can select whatever color we would like and then also give it an icon that represent the focus. You can scroll down and see a bunch of different ones from shapes to some headphones. So let's go for the laptop bag. Then tap on next. Now you will get an option to allow people for notification. Basically when you enable this focus mode and you don't mind getting notification from certain people, you can add or remove a person or just have people from your favorites. So it's totally your choice. Then tap on allow or allow none if you don't want any notification. Then you will get an option to allow apps for notification. So just select the apps you want to allow the notification or select allow none. Time sensitive will allow the apps to send notification which are not in allow list over here, and the next thing it says your focus is ready. Here it will give you some helpful suggestion that you should use. Now your focus is ready, but there are some changes you can make over. You can turn on the focus modes within the setting as well. Just go to the different ones and turn it on over here, or however you would like to do. So it's really easy. Also you can use Siri to enable some focus modes by saying, hey Siri, enable the driving focus mode.
Driving focus is now on.
It says I turned on driving mode. Also best way to enable is based on location. So if you go into a edit focus mode that we have created and tap on to add schedule or automation, here you have time, location and app automation. So here you can select from what time you want your focus mode to be enabled and in which location you want. You can select it on the focus mode automatically when you are in this location. A smart activation will learn what you do over time and then suggest that focus mode. So you can do that also. And another thing is you can even make changes in your home screen and lock screen also. So if you go into home screen, we have the option to hide our notification badges and also have the option to select custom pages. When you enable it, you will get all your pages. So just select the pages you want when you enable this focus mode, and during this focus, I want all of the notification badges turned off. You will see I have no notification badges. You can also customize your lock screen as well. If you go into lock screen, you can dim the lock screen during your focus mode or silence your notifications but show them on your lock screen. You can also change the focus mode from here and also from lock screen also. So that's all for this video. I hope you have understood a focus a little better. So go ahead, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe for more such videos. Now I will see you on the next one. Peace.